VanEck confirms China and Russia settling energy trades in Bitcoin. Bitcoin. China. Russia. VanEck confirms China and Russia's use of Bitcoin for energy trade settlements, signaling a pivotal shift in global de-dollarization efforts. Last updated, April 10, 2025. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. April 10, 2025 at 14:25 GMT+3. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. As global trade tensions flare once again, the investment firm VanEck has confirmed that China and Russia are reportedly settling some of their energy trades using Bitcoin. The revelation comes amid a broader trend of de-dollarization, particularly accelerated by the Trump administration's aggressive tariff strategies targeting China and the European Union. Countries moving towards cryptocurrencies amid global de-dollarization. VanEck's report, titled Digital Assets, De-dollarization Moves Bitcoin Towards Monetary Role, written by Matthew Siegel, places Bitcoin at the center of a rapidly shifting geopolitical and economic tension. The report argues that recent policy shifts and rising fragmentation in global trade are accelerating the need for neutral, decentralized settlement layers, and Bitcoin is becoming a candidate of choice. Bitcoin initially dipped from $85,000 to $81,000 following the April 2 announcement of new tariffs by the Trump administration. However, it has since continued to outperform traditional indices like the Nasdaq across multiple timeframes, including the past decade. VanEck points out that while slower economic growth isn't inherently bullish for Bitcoin, the potential dovish response by central banks, particularly the Federal Reserve, could set the stage for renewed Bitcoin strength by reintroducing liquidity into the system. But what makes this moment especially important is that adoption is no longer speculative or theoretical. China and Russia are actively settling some of their energy transactions using Bitcoin and other digital assets. Matthew Siegel, VanEck's head of digital assets research, confirmed this, saying, "And they're not alone. Bolivia has also announced plans to import electricity using cryptocurrencies, while French energy utility EDF is exploring the feasibility of using excess electricity currently exported to Germany to mine Bitcoin." Bitcoin's role expands amid dollar weakness. The timing of these developments is crucial. Just as China and Russia make the shift toward Bitcoin, the Trump administration has escalated its trade war, announcing a 125% tariff on Chinese imports. President Trump's statement, released on Truth Social, accused China of exploiting global trade systems and promised that the era of ripping off the USA was over. While new tariffs on other nations were delayed by 90 days, the sharp increase against China sent a clear signal that Washington is not backing down. The immediate market reaction was bullish for Bitcoin, which jumped 5.6% within an hour of the news, climbing to $81,636. However, this move spurred further global volatility. In response, China hiked tariffs on U.S. goods from 34% to 84% on April 9. Notably, Russia has set the precedent before now, as a report in December shows that the country has been increasingly adopting Bitcoin for foreign trades. The broader de-dollarization movement. VanEck's report situates these developments within the long-term trend of de-dollarization. As Siegel notes, a weakening U.S. dollar could further entrench Bitcoin's role as a hedge against fiat debasement and geopolitical risk. He pointed to the U.S. dollar index, DXY, which has dropped over 7% year-to-date and now sits at 102.5. A sustained decline in the dollar would amplify the Bitcoin as hedge narrative, especially amid rising global uncertainty. This sentiment was echoed by Rabobank's head of Forex strategy, Jane Foley, who mentioned that Trump's policies are ironically driving the very trend they aim to suppress. Trump threatened countries that tried to de-dollarize with extra tariffs. Ironically, his isolationist policies may drive the trend, she told Reuters. Indeed, even before the most recent tariffs, European analysts were already predicting a pivot away from the dollar. VanEck advises investors to closely monitor indicators such as Federal Reserve policy, Treasury yields, Bitcoin exchange-traded product flows, and on-chain activity. As trade tensions continue to escalate and countries search for alternatives to the dollar-centric system, Bitcoin stands at a potential inflection point. What was once considered a speculative gamble is increasingly being adopted as a strategic tool for both trade and financial sovereignty. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar panics selling hits XRP, but is this the perfect setup for a surprise rally? BTC tops $82,000 as ETH and XRP jump 13% on Trump's tariff pause. SEC approves listing, trading of options on ETH ETFs. Altcoin news. Cardano price analysis. ADA bounces as trade wars ease, but 30 cents ADA remains likely. 1 day ago. By Joel Frank. Price analysis. XRP's V-shaped reversal turns heads. Are $3 plus targets now in play? 17 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Bitcoin news. Charles Hoskinson predicts Bitcoin could hit $250,000 as tech giants buy stablecoins. 23 hours ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025. Top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025. By NSS Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in April 2025. 4 days ago. By NSS Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now. Upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Meb Keelikutty. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. March 3, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025. By NSS Tavares. Next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.